Chief Minister Biren, who did not attend the crucial meeting of MLAs in New Delhi, has left Imphal today to attend oath-taking ceremony of Haryana Chief Minister, which is scheduled to be held tomorrow at Dasira ground in Panchkula, Haryana. Chief Minister left for New Delhi on an Indigo flight which took off at around 2 p.m. today. Chief Minister Biren will be attending the oath-taking ceremony of Nayat Singh Saini as new Chief Minister of Haryana tomorrow, which will also see attendance of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and other BJP national leaders. Chief Minister Biren will also be attending a meeting of all chief ministers from BJP ruled state. He is also likely to meet Union Home Minister Amit Shah and other leaders in New Delhi.